Tired of crowded tours and rushed schedules? This 6-day private tour is made just for you. On day 1, we will stay in Ho Chi Minh City. You can slow down, wander in the quiet alleys, taste local coffee, and feel the unique vibe of this city without crowds or rush. On day 2, we will go to see Chi tunnels from Ho Chi Minh City. It's not just a check-in spot, but a place to listen to its true historical stories and feel the traces of the past. Then, we will take a trip from Ho Chi Minh City to Hanoi. After arriving, you can wander by Hong Kim Lake and feel the slow rhythm of this city. We will wander around Hanoi's old town and visit Statue of Virgin Mary. There are no crowds here, so you can enjoy the quiet beauty at your own pace. Next, we will leave Hanoi and head to Halong Bay by private cruise. You can kayak through hidden lagoons and join a local cooking class on the boat to taste authentic Vietnamese food. Last, you can enjoy the peaceful time in Halong Bay, watching the sunset and the starry sky. Your private guide and driver will accompany you throughout the journey. Travel with Asia exclusive tours for an unforgettable Vietnam trip.